Book of Heaven, Volume 2, August 22nd, 1899. Jesus communicates to her his virtues. My dear Jesus continues to come, all lovable and majestic. While in this appearance he told me,
The purity of my gazes shines in all your operations, in such a way that rising again into my eyes, it produces a splendor for me, and it cheers me from the filthy things that creatures do.
I remained all confused at these words, so much so that I did not dare to tell him anything. But Jesus, encouraging me, began to say,
Tell me, what do you want?
And I, when I have you, is there anything more I could possibly desire? But Jesus more than once asked me again to tell him what I wanted. And I, gazing upon him, saw the beauty of his virtues and said to him, My most sweet Jesus, give me your virtues. And he, opening his heart, made many distinct rays come out of his virtues, which entered into my heart, and I felt all of myself being strengthened in the virtues. Then he added,
What else do you want?
And I, remembering that during the past days, because of a pain that I was suffering, my senses were prevented from losing themselves in God, said to him, My benign Jesus, let it be that the pain may not prevent me from losing myself in you. And Jesus, touching with his hand the part of me that was in suffering, mitigated the bitterness of the spasm in such a way that I can recollect and lose myself in him. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.